Please stand by. This is VK7 Whiskey Whiskey, switching to CW. Well, there was a whole lot of call signs for you. Let's go through them. Well, of course, I started off by saying DE of or from VK7 Whiskey Whiskey. Then I sent the context separator. The context separator is the thing that we use when we're not using punctuation like full stops or periods, commas, etc. Da, di, 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 da. And that is used to separate from one subject to another when we're discussing things And it also gives us time to think of what we're going to say next. Some people tend to overuse it by going da-di-di-di-da, 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 and then launching into the next subject or topic. So, I sent the context separator, and the call signs that I sent were as follows. 5 Bravo number 4 Alpha Hotel Juliet. Number 5 Bravo number 4 Alpha Hotel Juliet. Followed by Alpha 45 X-Ray Romeo. Alpha number 45 X-Ray Romeo. Then the third one was Delta Lima 6 Charlie November Golf. Delta Lima number 6 Charlie November Golf. Followed by, that was a German station by the way. Do you know where these countries are that are coming at you? The next one, Spain. Echo Alpha 3 Golf Hotel Quebec. EA number 3 Golf Hotel Quebec. And the next one, Echo Alpha 8 Romeo Romeo. Followed by Foxtrot 5 Charlie Quebec. F number 5 CQ. And then Golf 0 Bravo November Romeo. G0 BNR. Followed by Hotel Alpha 7 Uniform Whiskey. Followed by Italy Zanzibar 1 Lima Boston Golf. Actually it's Italy Zulu 1 Lima Bravo Golf. And then the last one was Japan America 1, Juliet Alpha 1 Bravo November Whiskey JA1 BNW. How did you go? Well, I can see Jordan put his D codes up and he got 100%. Very good. Now, I started using the American way of using phonetics. They tend to relate to cities in America. But we should really stick with the NATO agreed phonetics. Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot. You have learned them, haven't you? Well, I guess you're going to get a refresh and learn them as we go through these call signs. We'll go through another lot and see how we go. This time I'll do it the same as the first lot, but then after that things are going to change. So hold on to your headphones or listen intently. Are you sitting comfortably? Then I will begin. This is VK7 Whiskey Whiskey. Please stand by, switching to CW. Okay, back with you on voice. Well, did you recognize the countries that those came from? We started off after the usual DE oval from VK7WW and the context separated with Delta Lima 5 Charlie Whiskey, DL5CW. That's a German station. Echo Alpha 3 Echo Quebec Tango, EA3EQT, and Echo Alpha 3 Golf Hotel Zulu, EA3GHZ. Both of those are from Spain. Right. Foxtrot 2 November Hotel, F2NH, French station. Followed by Golf 0 Brahma Bravo Lima Bravo. Golf 0 Bravo Lima Bravo. A British station. Now, what about the next one? Hotel Lima 3 Alpha Mike Oscar, HL3AMO. Oh, where's that one? And where's this one? Italy 3, oh, I've given it away. Bravo Uniform India. India 3 Bravo Uniform India. I started with Italy. But is this next one also Italy? India Whiskey 1 Golf Golf November. India Whiskey 1 Golf Golf November, followed by India Zulu 2 Foxtrot Oscar Sierra. And then the last one was Juliet Alpha 9 Alpha Golf November JA9 AGN. Well, I hope you're copying these, even if it's only part of them. But nice to have you along. We are going to up the tempo a bit. I'll just do another little session which is going to be sort of like the last two, the Farnsworth method, leaving large gaps in between, or larger gaps than normal between each character. And then I'll send that same one again, a little bit faster, but then brace yourselves for the next lot. This is VK7 Whiskey with the slow Morse course, now switching to CW. Just a quick look on the Discord channel, and Jordan's done very well again. If you'd like to join us on the Discord channel, then please jump onto QRZ.com and look up Phil's call sign, VK7 Zulu Papa Delta, VK7ZPD, and ask Phil if you can have an invite to the Discord channel. The Discord channel is where we get to put interesting information up as this net runs live, including anybody who wants to do a decode of what I'm sending and spot my mistakes. Very good. Incidentally, Jordan has been running Parks on the Air and has been out and about, and he sent me a photo of him operating near a lake. If you can operate CW near a lake, you'd be amazed of the results, or even down on the foreshore. Anyway, it seems that the skies were much nicer in Victoria than here in Tasmania today. A bit overcast, very chilly, and we're expecting more rain for the next few days. Please stand by. This is VK7 Whiskey switching to CW. How did you go that time? Things are speeding up. Right, what I sent was as follows. After the customary DE of or from, identifying myself, VK7WW, I sent the context separator and the following call signs. Juliet Echo 2, Oscar Victor Golf. Juliet Hotel 2, Alpha Yankee Bravo, Juliet India 1, November Juliet Charlie, Juliet Kilo 1, Bravo Sierra Mike, Juliet Romeo 2, Whiskey Charlie X-Ray, Juliet Romeo 4, Oscar Zulu Romeo, Kilo 1 Sierra Mike, Kilo 3 Romeo Alpha, Kilo 4 Papa Bravo, and finally Kilo 9 Golf Whiskey Hotel. That's a bit of a dog, isn't it? A K9? Oh, sorry. K9 Golf Whiskey Hotel. That was a dad joke. What did Adam say to Eve at Christmas? It's Christmas Eve. Or did he say it's Christmas Eve? I think we better continue. I need a new script writer. This is VK7 Whiskey Whiskey. Please stand by. I'm going to be rattling them off to you this time. None of this Farnsworth gracious sending. Please stand by. Let's see how you go. VK7 Whiskey Whiskey switching to CW. Well, that was a nice little lot, wasn't it? Just in time as well. 3 minutes to go. Right. What did I send? I sent the following call signs at a rapid rate of knots, and no second chances either. After the usual start, DE of or from VK7WW and the context separator, da-di-di-di-da, and that comes out as the equals sign in Morse code. Right, Kilo Bravo 1, Juliet Zulu Uniform, Kilo Delta 0, Papa Oscar. That's testing you, Jordan. Kilo Foxtrot 2, Delta Tango, Kilo Lima 0, Sierra, Kilo Romeo 6, Charlie, November 2, November Sierra, and November 6, Uniform Kilo, followed by November 8, November Echo 8, Papa, and the last two were Oscar November 4, Alpha November November, followed by Papa Yankee 5, Echo Whiskey. Right. And then, of course, the sign-off was the context separator, DE of or from VK7WW, di-da-di-da-di-da-di-da.